How to watch live on Instagram. In order to do so, you may easily follow the step. Open up your Instagram, and then once you open up Instagram, you should be finding this interface. So all you gotta do in order to find if someone is Instagram is you need to follow those persons first, and once that is done, on the story section you'll be finding a live button right under the story. So if someone is live, you'll be finding right under the story section. If you want to view the live, all you gotta do is simply tap on the live like this, and when you do, you will be finding that person live on Instagram. So you may even go ahead and start up a chat with those persons like this by adding a comment in the bottom and hitting send. Similarly, we have a like option. If you like that, you may send reactions as well. Once that is done, you may also request to join. So you may tap on request to join from your screen if you want to join the live, and tap on send request, and that should if the person accepts your request, even you will be able to join the live. So if that's how you basically watch live on Instagram, sometimes you even get a notification to view that. You may tap on the heart icon at the top, and if someone is live, you'll be finding notification right there. So that is how you basically watch live videos on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.